Well, nothing lasts forever, and just the other day I was walking up the stairs and the nosing on the stairs here just kind of splintered off. Wow, I just put this in a few years ago. Yeah, broken. Well, I am not going to leave this thing broken, so gonna fix it. And wow, what a mess we got here. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be splushing a whole bunch of glue on this. So I'm putting a paper grocery bag underneath because I expect spillage. And oh boy, I always forget to remember to bring something to prepare for this video. And what I forgot to bring today was a rag. So at some point in this video, I'm going to run away for 14 seconds and find a rag. Anyway, we got to fix this. Right now, it just broke. There is not a bunch of dirt in this. Time to fix it is right now, right after it happened. So, glue splooshing time. What we're using is Tight Bond Ultimate Wood Glue. Waterproof. That's the interior, exterior. That's what I got laying around because I have had some projects where I've needed this particular type of glue. I don't think it's needed on this application, but it's what I got, so it's what we're using. So you can already see it's kind of splushing down onto the paper down here, because I want absolute coverage on this stuff if I'm going to fix it. And towards that end, well, we're going to take this little sliver here that we have and sort of use it as an applicator to get this glue just everywhere on this split. Oh golly, all the way down here. Wow. This thing's wrecked. Okay, lots of glue. Is that still in the, here we go, like that. And again, with the little stick, we're just spreading it everywhere on this. And boy, I'm just thinking, I should have had a rag at the ready for this video, but I do have my fingers. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I want this thing to stay back on here, and I have these bunch of little nails here, right here. These are like 3-penny finish nails, I think they are. I don't know. They are really tiny. Boy, I might need to get my pliers to get this thing going. That would be enough. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of little tap, getting it started. Then grab another one. Yep. Boy, they are tiny. And that's going to go right here. And one more. Boy, I got a whole bunch of them out. I think I can probably just dump those back in. I don't need that many. Okay, I'm going to put one more here. I'm not going to try putting anything at the very end because it would just split again. I'm kind of daring it here. Okay, got them started. Now, before I actually drive them in, we're going to just hold it as, and I do not want to drive any one of these in all the way until I get all of them to my satisfaction. Now, after driving these nails, oh boy, I might be as sloppy there. Let's go in still, or do I need to replace a nail? There's something I've found is there is nothing holds better than a bent nail. Oh golly, if you can manage to drive in a bent nail. Which this one is slightly bent, slightly. There we go. That one's in. This one. And the first one. Oh. And I said, okay, we're going to take 14 seconds now and go find a rag. And then we have more stuff to do yet after, well, this repair is not complete yet. So, 14 seconds. Did I make it? Okay. Geez, I should have dampened it though. All right, so we now have a dampened rag. What I pissed away like 30 seconds. So a quick wipe with like this, and it's starting to look kind of okay again. But we have this nastiness here where a big chunk fell out. And by the way, I've been spreading all this glue around with this stick here. And it just so happens that this stick is the little chunk that fell out of here. So I'm going to put just, oh, it's probably got enough glue already, but I'm going to give it a little more. I'm going to put this on here. And I think I probably ran way too long on this video already. So, yeah, let's tap it in. Kind of like that. Now, I'm not going to run a video so long as to do this, but I'm going to have to kind of dry this out, and I'm going to put some masking tape to kind of hold it while the glue sets. And well, there's my little stair repair, because maintenance is important. I just was not going to let that go.